just got a message that our flight has been preponed, and plus it's not a direct flight anymore. We have to go from Melbourne to Auckland, and then there is like 10 hours of halt over there. I don't know what we're gonna do. We are running very very late. अगर आप ही उन लोगों में से है जो 9 to 5 जॉब के साथ अपने ट्रैवल को बैलेंस करना चाहते हैं और बजट में ट्रैवल करना चाहते हैं, यू आर ऑन द राइट चैनल. हाय, आई एम रिजी रोवर. वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल. I am finally taking that dream vacation जिसका मैं परसों से वेट कर रही थी. We are finally going to South Island of the New Zealand to see those beautiful glaciers, mountains and snow. I am so excited, so let's get going. So the airlines messed up. उन्होंने हमारी डायरेक्ट फ़्लाइट को एक वन स्टॉप फ्लाइट में कन्वर्ट कर दिया, एंड द ले ओवर बिटवीन द 2 फ्लाइट्स इज़ अराउंड 7 आवर्स. सो जब हम यहाँ पहुँचे तब जाके हमें एक्चुअली पता चला ये कि हमें कॉम्पोजिशन मिलने वाला है. And you would be surprised to know that the composition is amazing. They gave us $300 of voucher, plus they gave us accommodation. They gave us separate money for our dinner and breakfast. और क्या चाहिए. So I think क्राइस्टचर्च पहुँचने में जहाँ हमें 4 आवर्स लगने थे, it will be around 12 hours. Yeah, approximately 12 to 13 hours, but we don't mind. तो मिस्टर अमन, कितना कॉम्पनसेशन मिला आपको आज फ्लाइट के लिए?
Too much.
बीइंग एन इंडियन सिटीज़न, न्यूजीलैंड जाने के लिए मुझे एक टूरिस्ट वीज़ा चाहिए था, जिसका प्रोसेस बहुत ज़्यादा सिंपल है. इस वेबसाइट पे आप लॉगिन करके अपनी एप्लीकेशन स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. बहुत ही सिंपल डॉक्यूमेंट्स के साथ आप अपनी वीज़ा एप्लीकेशन को सबमिट करें. उसमें आपको एक अपना पासपोर्ट, सैलरी, इनकम प्रूफ एंड आइटनरी. यू डोंट नीड अ रिटर्न फ्लाइट एज वेल. द प्रोसेस इज़ वेरी वेरी सिंपल. आपको किसी एजेंट के पास जाने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं. तो सिंपली अपनी एप्लीकेशन को खुद ही फिल करें with the payment of $260 New Zealand dollar. It's very very simple and easy to do. Despite all the mess up, I love the Air New Zealand Airlines. They have amazing ambience, nice fragrance, seats were quite nice, there were like space was enough, and they have amazing entertainment system. They have inbuilt chat options as well, where you can chat sitting on your seat to the person sitting somewhere else on the plane. It's really really interesting, isn't it? They also provided us a free internet. My goodness, that was the highlight of the whole flight, and it was pretty much amazing. As we were about to land, the view was this beautiful. मुझे रियलाइज़ हुआ कि मैंने कभी नाइट की फ़्लाइट ली ही नहीं है, तो मुझे पता ही नहीं कि रात को इतना ब्यूटीफुल व्यू आता है. आई वॉज सो एक्साइटेड टू जस्ट बी इन द न्यूजीलैंड. फाइनली अ ड्रीम कम ट्रू. ऑकलैंड में लैंड करते ही हमारा वेलकम इस ब्यूटीफुल गेट से हुआ. यहाँ पे मैंने इस बोर्ड पे एक्चुअली में पढ़ा कि न्यूजीलैंड का ओरिजिनल नेम Aotearoa है. Okay, it's a tongue twister. This was so nice. People here speak Maori, that's their local language, regional language, and Kia ora means welcome here. So people, instead of saying are saying Kia ora to us. After going through immigration, this is my khushi of getting my passport stamped. Finally, New Zealand, here I come. वहाँ पे खड़ी है बस, देख लेते हैं. सो अपेरेंटली हम लोगों को अकोमोडेशन प्रोवाइड करी गई है, और अकोमोडेशन पे जाने के लिए हमें यहाँ से उस होटल की बस लेनी है जो कि हमें मिल ही नहीं रही है. वी ट्राई टू टॉक टू पीपल इनसाइड एयर न्यूजीलैंड वालों से, बट देवर नॉन पीपल. सो वी जस्ट गोना ट्राई आवर लक एंड सी. फाइनली हमें बस दिख रही है जिसके ऊपर हॉलीडे इन लिखा है. We just go and talk to this guy. We are just taking risk. हमें पता भी नहीं है कोई मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा, हम बस बाहर आ गए. The airline said we can have a room in service in the hotel, but the hotel people are saying they don't have anything to eat because it's 12, almost midnight, 12 past 30, 12:30 a.m. in the morning, midnight. We do have a Wi-Fi. Room is okay, but it is like a 15 minutes ride, so we just have like 2 to 3 hours for us to take rest and charge ourselves. So we have another flight tomorrow around 6:45 a.m. to the Christchurch, which, yeah, exactly our destination. Aman is trying to order some food. We just slept in the same clothes and we woke up in the same clothes. We have a flight to catch around 6:30. Oh my god, it's very tiring. I don't know how people travel. So it was so early that we couldn't get breakfast from the hotel, and we come down to the airport, and it is also not like they are just preparing food, but the shops will be open after 5:30 around. We managed to have some coffee and snacks before going to the boarding gate. Finally मुझे फ्लाइट मिल गई है. मैं विंडो सीट पे बैठ के आराम से एंजॉय करने वाली हूँ. क्राइस्टचर्च पहुंच गए हम लोग. इट्स बीन अ वेरी लॉन्ग जर्नी, बट द व्यू वर अमेजिंग. क्या मस्त माउंटेन्स के व्यू आ रहे थे, ऑल ग्लेशियर्स एंड अमेजिंग. मज़ा आ गया. बट दिस टाइम Aman chose to sit on the aisle seat. No, sorry, at the window seat, and he enjoyed it. Did you enjoy the views?
Yeah, the mountains are pretty.
From Christchurch, we have booked a rental car for our whole trip for 10 days. Snap rental. Yes, there are lots and lots of rental cars. You can you can compare the prices online, and then you can call them and book it. And they can arrange pick up and drop from the airport as well. So yeah, it's a good option for me. And let's see, we are hoping the good services. This is, of course, the first time. So. Scene here is very crazy. People are just lining up. It's a long queue. I don't see a point of pre-booking if we have to stand in this kind of long queue. But it's gonna be exciting because me and Aman we have never drone in snow or icy mountains ever, so it's gonna be a real time experience. Finally, we got our car. Let's go. And with that note, thank you so much guys for watching my video. अगर आपको मेरा कंटेंट पसंद है तो do not forget to hit that subscribe button on the channel. In my next video, I'm going to show you the Christchurch and must things to do in this place. So stay tuned and keep watching. Ta-da! Keep traveling!